Well, they canceled my run today. Jeez, I can't even open a door. I can't even open a door, man. I'm snowed in. They canceled my run today, and I was thinking, I'll get out for an hour or two, see if I get a steelhead on one of the local creeks, but I can't get out the door. And oh, this is beautiful. Come on, Jack. Come on. No, you don't want to go? Not a big fan of winter. We're all cleaned up here. Got 49 inches of snow, and they're forecasting another 8 to 12 tonight. Some areas just south got 66 inches. Got my gear in a vehicle, ready to go do some steelhead fishing for a couple hours, but there's a travel ban right now. As soon as they lift it, I'm gonna try to get out. Looks like we got round 3 of the lake effect here. Got about 50 inches here. Some areas got over 70. Look at that. That snow sucks. Try to get out for an hour, see if I get one fish before the Bills game. 22 degrees, winds are gusting up near 40. It's pretty cold out. I don't know what the creeks look like, if they're frozen or it's completely iced over. Well, the first spot I checked out, the creek is completely iced over. Another abandoned semi. Creek looks frozen over there. Checked out 3 spots so far, and all 3 were frozen. Well, creek looks open here. This ain't easy. This damn sure ain't easy. I can see the creek. I don't know if I can make it through the creek. Almost made it to the water's edge. Today it's 22, windy. Just gonna get out, see if I get one fish, get my fix before the Bills game at 1 o'clock. The sooner the better I hook up, because it's cold. I made it. Thought I was gonna have a heart attack. I made it. One fish and out of here. Go catch the Bills game. All right, first cast, got a big juicy on. Goal here is one fish. Get the hell out of here, go watch the Bills game. I just missed one. I had a phone call. Work's supposed to be calling me. And I had to hit, and the phone's ringing, and I'm trying to fumble for the phone and got the hit, and I missed him. Fish on. I just wanted to come out and get one. I'm gonna go watch the Bills game, man. Been out here about 45 minutes. That's my second bite. I had a fish whacking it, and I'm getting a phone call from work. They've been off and want to get me in Monday morning. Make a run, and I missed it. And just got off the phone, and about 10 minutes later, I finally got a fish. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna get this one and call it, man. It's very windy and 22 degrees. Water's kind of stained from the snow. I don't know why, but oh geez, it's very slippery here too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That fish looked like he'd been in here a little bit. Trying to make it down here without swimming myself. Oh yeah. Get down in these shallows down here. Hands are cold. That's all I wanted. Get my fix for the weekend. Oh, that's a beautiful colored up buck. Beautiful fish. See, I got a place to land him here. It's kind of cold. I probably won't take him out of the water. Look at that. Look at that. Come on up here. Come on up here. Come on up here. All right, beautiful buck. SnowStorm Steelhead. That's a beauty. Nice fish. It is a nice fish. All right. Get the hook out, man. I'm gonna go catch the Bills game, man. My hands are cold. I fish in colder weather, but what a beautiful, beautiful fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. He's off and ready to go. What a beautiful fish. Go on, see ya. See ya. He don't like the cold either. I damn sure don't like it. See ya. Mission accomplished. Got my SnowStorm Steelhead. All I wanted was one. Hands are frozen. Windy out here, cold, 22 degrees. Winds gusting 35 to 40. And got my fish. I just had to get my fix this weekend, you know. No skunking. Till next time, we'll see ya. All right. Not a bad day. Now I gotta climb through the snowbanks. All right. Now if I could make it back to my vehicle without getting stuck in a snowbank. These are my tracks on the way in. Oh boy. Oh man, I'm out of breath, man. It's tough walking through this. At least I got a trail from the way out. Go Bills! Win or lose, still my team, man. Go Bills. No skunking. Our weekend's complete. Winter Wonderland. This weekend, Christmas. Jack don't know how he's going to use the bathroom. Look at this. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on. Come on. Don't be afraid. Come on.